everyone, Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you one of our new pontoon or tri-toon boat lines. It's Premier. Today I'm going to show you a 250 Intrigue. This is a REV floor plan. So I'll show you what the REV means here shortly. But if you want to go ahead and turn around, check out this U-shaped seating that we have in the front over here. So one of the biggest differences that we get with Premier versus any other pontoon manufacturer is the quality of this interior. You need to actually come in and feel this interior to understand what I'm talking about. This is the same upholstery that they put in high-end cars. Down below you see a nice teak flooring. We have a ski locker right here, another ski locker right here. Our old regional president, Buzz Watkins, was in charge of ordering most of these boats, and he selected an option that I was kind of hesitant to order, and it's the power lift for the cooler. And this, you literally open this hatch up and push a button, that whole thing lifts up, and it's very quick. It's actually a really cool feature. Then jumping over to the Helm, this is another big difference you're not going to see on any other boats. So 12-inch Simrad display. You have all your information here. Obviously it's communication error because the motor is off right now, but you have your home screen right here. All the apps that you can add onto this. Great screen, but this is the cool part that I like. So you have access to everything right here at the, at finger's reach. So you can be underway, you don't have to reach up here, you can literally do everything right here. Nice built-in charger. We have the new binnacle for the Mercury. So this boat's powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower Verado. It's a V8 fly-by-wire. It has active trim built in, so you just click this button right here. You don't have to mess with any of these buttons right here. You're good to go for a fun day out on the water. Now, this is one of the coolest parts. This boat is called a REV. You have this nice, booth style seating. This folds down, comes with a filler cushion right there if you want to have a nice big lounger. But say you want to face aft or you want to face sideways, and what's this? There's a random ladder in the middle of the boat. What's that for? This is what that's for. Push this. This spins 360 degrees. You can face any direction you want on this boat in this seat. It's like the coolest thing ever. That's what your boarding ladder's for. If you want to jump off the side, climb in, you have an exit point over there, exit point over here. We have the ricochet ladder on the back, so if you forget that it's down and get ready to take off, it's going to automatically pop right back up. Some other key features on this boat are double bimini. This is a powered bimini back here, so you literally just push a button, it's going to open up. The front bimini is not powered, but it's very easy to open up. Then you're going to zip it to the back bimini, and you got total shade on this boat. You guys, this is really, really an incredible boat. You have to see it and feel it to believe it. So come by and see us sometime soon. Again, this is Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. Give us a call or stop by.